Welcome. In this video, we're going to dive into the Python while loop. You'll learn all about condition-based iteration and how to repeat code execution effectively. First, let's understand the basic concept of a loop. In programming, a loop is a fundamental control structure. Its job is to repeat a block of code over and over, but only as long as a specific condition remains true. This is incredibly useful for automating tasks that you would otherwise have to write out multiple times. This brings us to the while loop. Its structure is simple. You have the keyword while followed by a condition. As long as that condition evaluates to true, the indented block of code underneath it will continue to execute. A typical while loop has 4 key parts. First, you initialize a variable outside the loop. Second, the while statement checks the condition. Third, if the condition is true, the code inside the loop body runs. And fourth, you must have an update step inside the loop that changes the variable, so the condition can eventually become false. Let's look at a practical example of counting from 1 to 5. We start by initializing a variable called count to 1. The while loop continues as long as count is less than or equal to 5. Inside the loop, we print the current value of count, and then, importantly, we increment count by 1. This update step ensures the loop will eventually end. A common pitfall is the infinite loop. This happens when the loop's condition always remains true. For example, if you write while true and forget to include a way to exit, the code inside will run forever and your program will get stuck. You often need to press Ctrl+C to stop it. To escape a loop, even an infinite one, you can use the break statement. When the program encounters break, it immediately terminates the loop and continues with the code that comes after it. In this example, the loop stops as soon as the count reaches 3. The continue statement is a bit different. Instead of ending the loop, it just skips the current iteration and jumps to the beginning of the next one. Here, when the number is 3, the continue statement is executed, so the print statement for that number is skipped, and the loop proceeds to 4. Python's while loops have a unique feature, an optional else block. The code in the else block runs only if the loop completes its full course without being terminated by a break statement. It's a way to run some code when the loop condition becomes false. So when should you use a while loop versus a for loop? A while loop is perfect for when you don't know how many times you need to iterate. You just know you need to continue as long as a condition is met. A for loop, on the other hand, is best when you are iterating over a known sequence, like a list of items or a specific range of numbers. To wrap up, the while loop is a powerful tool for repeating code based on a condition. Always remember to provide a way for the loop to end to avoid infinite loops. You can control the flow with break and continue, and use the else block for code that should run when the loop finishes normally. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.